Welcome back, guys. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI for marketing in 2026. So, whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, a content creator, or a digital marketer, Claude can help you create content faster, improve your campaigns, and save hours every week. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use Claude for social media, email marketing, SEO, ad copies, and more, as well as campaigns. So, let's get started. First things first, what is Claude AI? Claude AI is an advanced AI assistant that can help marketers do their research, write and analyze and brainstorm, as well as optimize their email or marketing campaigns. Claude is your personal assistant. It is going to do everything you need it to and more within the capacity of an artificial intelligence. So you can use it for content creation, email marketing, social media marketing, search engine optimization, research, add copywriting, market research as well. So instead of spending hours creating content manually, Claude can help you generate ideas and your first draft in minutes. So, how do you get started using Claude? Claude is a really good interface. It's really easy to use. All you need to do is just head over to claude.ai and create an account. You can create an account using your email. So just sign in using your Google Mail or your Apple Mail and just sign into your account. And the key is to get greater results by providing clear prompts and specific instructions. So, what is a prompt? A prompt is a basic, detailed instruction that tells the AI what it's meant to do and how it can help you out and provide an output. So, let's an example of a prompt would be something like you are an expert digital marketer. Help me create a marketing strategy for a new online business. And you just hit enter on your computer and it will begin working in the background. So you can also use Claude's popular tools like the social media content creation option. This is actually an option. So you can see here, Claude is very interactive. It asks questions like, what kind of business are you trying to run? Is it a physical product? Is it digital product? Is it services? Or not sure yet. So let's say we want to sell, digital products or we want physical products. Let's go with the physical option. What's your starting budget looking like? We could say very limited, moderate, solid, flexible. So we could go with very limited. And what stage are we? Let's just say an idea. We are pre-launching basically. So we fulfill the question and answers from the AI, and it's going to begin working under these stipulated conditions. As I said earlier, one of Claude's most popular uses is social media content creation. So you can use it to create 30 social media post ideas for fitness coaching businesses. Claude can generate post ideas, captions, content calendars, and engagement strategies, all from a simple prompt, which are text based. And then you could also use the content marketing option, as content marketing has become much easier with Claude by telling it to create you detailed outline blogs that target keywords like the best productivity apps for students, and it can create a detailed blog for you. Claude can help with article outlines, blog posts, video scripts, newsletters, and lead magnets. It is the ultimate search and AI engine when it comes to using and creating content for social media. It's as good as ChatGPT. And if you're looking to branch or head into email marketing, you could also do the same thing. But here are the results from our first prompt, which was a marketing strategy. And as you can see here, it provided us with the necessary materials and information we need to actually launch something from the start point. It also included the content first organic strategy, smart small paid spends, as well as pre launch list buildings, and also the option to build your foundation. So basically, we can see how good Claude works and how it functions from just a simple prompt. For people who are looking to perform SEO research, Claude can help you with SEO planning. A simple prompt for this would be tell Claude to generate 20 long tail keywords related to Shopify dropshipping. So this simply looks like this and just hit enter. Once you've hit enter, Claude is going to begin working. You can see it's working here and it's creating long tailed keywords relevant to Shopify. So you can see how you can add this into your SEO content, your blog posts, or your ad campaigns. All right, so you can use Claude to discover content ideas, clutter your keywords, and create SEO friendly outlines. You can also use Claude for writing your ad copies. Let's say you have any copies of your ads you're looking to push into production. You could have Claude write you five Facebook ad variations For an online teaching course on graphic designing, Claude can help you create multiple versions of headlines, descriptions, and call to actions. Those are really important if you're looking to push your ads on Facebook. All right, guys. So that's it. That's basically how you can prompt Claude for your use cases. Now, we also have to understand that there are some prompts you can use when it comes strictly to marketing. You could ask it to create you a 30-day social media content calendar, write a product launch email, generate SEO blog ideas for your niche, create ad copies targeting beginners, as well as analyzing your market strategy and suggesting improvements. So you can basically feed chat GPT your information, but I would prefer going with Claude. Why? Because by clicking on the add file option and using web research, Claude can simply research the internet for improvements to your style of marketing, and you can also upload files or photos to Claude so it can actually work on your stuff for you. It can make customizations and tweaks to whatever you need it to do. And that's how to use Claude AI for marketing in 2026. So, whether you're creating content, writing emails, running ads, researching your audience, Claude can become a powerful marketing assistant that helps you work faster and more efficiently. All right, guys, so if this helped out, please leave a like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.